Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change ringtone in your Lenovo K13. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Lenovo K13 and you are wondering how to change a ringtone. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, you need to click here sound. After click over sound, we're going to see there is I have totally two SIM cards. One is Virgin Mobile and is Zen KSA. For example, you decide to change a ringtone in your Virgin Mobile, you can easily choose that, and you're going to see there's a bunch of ringtone available by preloaded Lenovo. You can easily choose any of them. Or if you decide to add a ringtone from your phone, you can easily see if your device have any MP3 music, so etc. It's all going to be appear here. You can choose any of them. So this is how you can easily change ringtone. Also, if you decide to change your ringtone in Zen case, you can easily choose, and you're going to see here preloaded ringtone. For example, I would like to choose this happy times. After choose it, you can make it here. Okay, so in this, so you can easily change a ringtone in your Lenovo K13. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.